From bouncing back after the devastation of World War II to thriving through decades of industrial strength, Germany has long been hailed as Europe's economic powerhouse, a beacon of economic success. Until now. Fast forward to today and things aren't looking so strong. Germany's economy is hitting some serious roadblocks, with stagnation, an aging population, a declining manufacturing sector, and financial instability now becoming the norm. Germany's current economic woes are not just a result of external pressures, but also internal policy shortcomings and demographic shifts. And given its influence in Europe and across the world, the decline of Germany's economy raises critical questions about its future and the measures needed to restore its former glory, if in fact it can. Welcome to Living History. After World War II, Germany was in ruins. Bombed cities, a shattered economy, and a country divided. But out of this chaos came the Wirtschaftswunder, or economic miracle. With a little help from America's Marshall Plan, West Germany's economy skyrocketed in the 1950s and 60s. Factories were rebuilt, industries modernized, and the Autobahn became a symbol of progress. This era saw full employment, rising living standards, and a booming export market. Germany was back on the map, not as a military power, but as an industrial giant. Fast forward to today, and the picture is a bit more complicated. The manufacturing sector, once the backbone of Germany's economy, is facing stiff competition from abroad. Chinese factories churn out cheaper goods, and automation is reshaping the landscape. The car industry, a proud symbol of German engineering, is now struggling to keep up with the shift to electric vehicles and stricter emissions regulations. So while the post-war miracle was all about rebuilding and innovating, today's challenges require a different kind of ingenuity. Germany needs to invest in new technologies, support its workforce through retraining programs, and navigate the complexities of a global economy that's more interconnected than ever. But let's not forget that while the reunification of East and West Germany in the early 1990s brought about significant investment and growth opportunities, it also posed immense economic challenges, including the integration of the East German economy and the costs associated with infrastructure development in the former East. Similarly today, Germany has grappled with sluggish economic growth, exacerbated by factors such as demographic changes, global trade tensions, and the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Still, the German spirit of resilience that powered the Wirtschaftswunder is still there, though it needs a modern twist to tackle today's economic hurdles. One key initiative is the National Industrial Strategy 2030, which aims to strengthen Germany's industrial base and maintain its competitiveness. The government plans to invest 3 billion euros in emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and quantum computing. The government also aims to increase public spending on research and development to 3.5% of GDP by 2025, representing a significant investment in innovation. But these initiatives, although good on paper, face several hurdles in reality, including Germany's famous bureaucratic red tape and regulatory barriers. Not only that, but Germany's aging workforce and shortage of skilled workers in key sectors like technology and engineering pose significant challenges to achieving the goals of these initiatives, which are essential for the new world. You see, in the post-war era, Germany's economy was fueled by its coal and steel industries. The Ruhr Valley, rich in these resources, became the industrial heartland of the country. Coal-powered factories, homes, and railways, while steel from German mills built everything from cars to factories. This industrial base not only drove economic growth, but also provided millions of jobs and a sense of stability. Today, however, Germany has made a bold commitment to renewable energy through its Energiewende, or energy transition, aiming to phase out nuclear power and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. While this shift is crucial for tackling climate change, it hasn't been a smooth ride. The transition to renewables has been plagued by high costs, technological hurdles, and resistance from traditional energy sectors. Wind and solar power are great, but they're not always reliable, and integrating them into the existing energy grid has been a massive headache. Moreover, the energy crisis has exposed vulnerabilities in Germany's supply chain. The recent geopolitical tensions and disruptions in global energy markets have led to skyrocketing energy prices, affecting everything from manufacturing to household budgets. Germany's economic stability hinges on navigating this complex transition, and it is struggling to find new ways to power the nation forward. Germany's automotive industry has also been a cornerstone of its economy. Post-World War II, companies like Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz not only symbolized German engineering excellence, but also played a pivotal role in the country's economic recovery. Fast forward to today, and the automotive sector is also facing seismic shifts. The global push for electric vehicles is transforming the industry. German carmakers are racing to adapt, investing heavily in EV technology and infrastructure. However, this transition is fraught with supply chain and investment challenges, not to mention the competition is fierce, with tech-savvy newcomers like Tesla and China's BYD challenging established German giants on their home turf. However, Germany has launched the Future Investment Program, committing 20 billion euros to key research and development projects in areas like renewable energy and digital development. But the rise of environmental regulations and climate goals adds another layer of complexity, leaving the German automotive industry at a crossroads. Let's not forget that Germany's entire energy sector has experienced its own roller coaster ride from coal-powered beginnings to a modern-day renewable energy conundrum. What do I mean? Well, in the 1970s, the country faced the repercussions of the oil crisis, leading to economic slowdowns and unemployment rates soared. By 1975, Germany's unemployment rate has climbed to over 5%, marking a sharp increase from pre-crisis levels. Today, high energy costs have become a burden for both consumers and businesses, spreading between industries and leading to concerns about Germany's competitiveness on the global stage. This is particularly problematic for energy-intensive sectors like manufacturing and chemical production, which have historically been pillars of the German economy. In contemporary Germany, balancing the ambitious goals of the Energiewende with economic realities remains a delicate act. The country faces pressure to maintain its leadership in combating climate change while ensuring that its energy infrastructure and industries are reliable, affordable, and economically robust. Germany's economy has long been synonymous with cutting-edge technology and industrial prowess, setting the standard for technological innovation and manufacturing excellence. This legacy of innovation drove the country's economic growth throughout the 20th century, making it a global leader in various high-tech industries. But in the 21st century, Germany is facing the challenges of Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution characterized by the integration of digital technologies, automation, and artificial intelligence into manufacturing processes. This shift promises to revolutionize production, increase efficiency, and create new economic opportunities. But Germany has been slow to catch on, and despite its strong industrial base, Germany has struggled to fully embrace digital transformation. The country lags behind in key areas such as high-speed internet infrastructure and digital skills development. Small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, which form the backbone of the German economy, often lack the resources and expertise to implement advanced digital technologies. This digital divide risks leaving significant portions of the economy behind as global competitors surge ahead. Not only this, but the rapid pace of technological change has created a skills gap in the workforce. Traditional manufacturing jobs are being replaced by roles that require advanced technical skills, leading to concerns about unemployment and social inequality. The German education and vocational training systems, while robust, are under pressure to adapt quickly to these new demands, and quickly is not how Germany operates these days. The result? As the country faces a confluence of contemporary challenges, an aging population, digitalization hurdles, environmental concerns, and global economic pressures, its future stands in the balance once again. To find out more about the economic challenges facing Ireland as a result of its fake economic prosperity, check out the video linked here.